Applied membranes history dates back to the invention of the reverse osmosis membrane. I had the honor of working with Dr. Srinivasa Surirajan, who was the inventor of the membrane. And when I met him, he showed me his book. It was a 3-inch thick book. And I said, Dr. Surirajan, you have learned a lot and you must know a lot about this technology. And he said, no, if I knew a lot, the book won't be so thick. It will be a very thin book. That was very inspiring information coming from the inventor. In 1983, I started the company from my garage. I was not sure if the company will be successful, but I had the confidence that this technology was needed, and with that confidence, I proceeded. 40 years later, Applied Membranes is the largest U.S. engineering and manufacturing company for ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, reverse osmosis, and specialty membranes. Applied Membranes has been an industry leader in providing membrane elements and membrane water treatment systems throughout the world. Our systems and membranes are exported to almost every industrialized country located on 6 continents. With over 20,000 membrane water treatment systems in use and millions of membranes installed for a variety of applications, Applied Membranes supplies millions of gallons of desalinated and highly purified clean water every day. AMI's state-of-the-art ISO and NSF certified facility features the most sophisticated manufacturing and testing equipment technologies in the industry. In 1985, we started building RO systems. Our first RO system was for a pharmaceutical customer. In 1986, we won a major product development contract from Eastman Kodak Company. In 1988, we sold the first large commercial system overseas to a company in Hong Kong. In 1989, we purchased our first building in San Marcos, California, which was 15,000 square feet in size. In 1990, we began manufacturing residential reverse osmosis membrane cartridges. In 1993, we sold a major integrated system to a microchip company in China. In 1995, we sold 4 40-foot containerized seawater desalination systems to the United Arab Emirates. In 1997, we expanded membrane manufacturing to include commercial reverse osmosis membranes. In 1998, we undertook our first contract from Dow Filmtech to manufacture membrane elements for them. In 2000, we moved to our second purchase building in Vista, California. It was 50,000 square feet in size. In 2008, we launched our online store, wateranywhere.com. In 2010, we supplied 350 solar-powered systems to Iraq. This was to supply water to villages that had lost power due to the war and were drinking polluted river water. In order to help them not get sick from this consumption of water, our 350 solar-powered systems supplied 350 different villages for clean drinking water. In 2014, we moved to this present building you're in, which is 156,000 square feet. In 2015, we set up our first overseas office in Shanghai, China. In 2018, we were given the U.S. President E Award for Export, recognition of increasing our exports by 500% in 4 years. This award was given to us in a ceremony at Washington, D.C. In 2018, I was elected to be a member of the Environmental Technology Trade Advisory Committee. Now in 2023, Applied Membranes turns 40. We will continue to grow and innovate so we can continue to lead the way to clean and conserve the planet's most valuable resource. Over the past 40 years, we have achieved success and growth. And all of this is possible because of the incredible support and help from our employees, from our customers, and from our partners. Now it is time for us to be proud, to celebrate, and to continue shaping the future together.